He's just pulling me. He don't want to come in. I'll beach him. Holy man. Hello there, everyone. We're out on the river today again. And we're going to be doing a little whopper plopping again. And just going to see if we can get some bass. Maybe a pike or two. I don't know. We'll see. It's a little windy out. You know, we got some storms rolling in. So it definitely had to come out anyways. It's too good. It's cloudy. Big storms on the afternoon coming, so that means I gotta get out fishing. So let's see what we get. Supposed to get some big storms later. So maybe that'll get a bite. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, really nice bass. Oh yeah. Really nice one. I think it's a largemouth. Oh yeah, this is a big one. There's a big daddy here. Yeah, bud? Crushed her, didn't you? He's not really hooked crazy good. I think I got him. Oh, that's a beauty. Oh, that's probably a 4-pounder. Oh yeah, not bad. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. That's a nice fish. Look at that. What a beast. Nice. He's probably 3.5 maybe. Pretty heavy fish. Let him go. Thanks, bud. Oof, nice fight. All right, man. Fish number 1. So yeah, like I said, it's a little windy out, but I think we're gonna get some fish today. And walk through this rock wall here and make it happen. He didn't have any problem taking that lure. Sweet. If I can get a little better angle. Oh, is that a hit? Oh, that was a nice fish there too. Shoot. Oh, darn it, darn it, darn it. Still over there? That almost looked like it was a pike. Work this shoreline. Yeah, just like that. There you go. Oh, there's a fish. Straight off to the right there was one. You see that? Let's see what's over there still. Oh, yeah. He might not be interested. There he is. Nice. Nice bass. Holy crap, this is a beast. I don't know what it is. Oh boy. He's got some power to him. This is a serious fish here, you guys. It's a massive smallie. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Holy he's pulling me, you guys. Look at this. Holy shoot. He's just pulling me. He don't want to come in. I'll beach him. Holy man. Yeah. Oh my god. That is a monster. Oh. What? Look at the size of that. Holy crap, dude. What just happened? Oh my god. Holy crap. This is a beast. Beast. I can't even believe this thing. Okay. Alright, guys. Another tank of the year here. Just a monster. Look at that thing. Just a beast. We'll get her back in the water here. Wow. Whew. Last look at her. Holy cow. Just an absolute monster. Just an absolute monster. Oh, okay. I figured she'd take a little bit. That's all right. Whenever you're ready, girl. There she goes. Holy crap. Woo. Wow. Well, that right there is what I'm talking about. I can't believe the size of the smallmouth I'm getting this year. Unreal. Holy cow. Okay, I gotta go and gather my thoughts after that one. Wow. Oh, that's on, there we go. Yep, I knew I had to get one out of there. Oh, that's another big fish. What is this? A largemouth? Oh yeah, another big one. Another big largie. Oh man. I was like, they gotta be, oh, he's barely hooked. There we go. Oh, ooh wee. Another 3-4 pounder. Jeez. There's gotta be one in there. Oh yeah, come on, shake it off. You done? Are you done? I'll get my pliers. Oh man, another nice fish. Another nice fish. Two nice largemouth and a huge smallmouth. Holy cow. All right, fine. I was like, I am landing those right in the spots, you know. Yeah, they're hugged up in the structure today, that's for sure. Sweetness. Get one more. I'm kind of far and few between. I will say that. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, another nice largie. Nice largie. Jeez. Oh, he spit her out. He spit her out. That's all right. We got to see him. Jeez. I was wondering. I'm like, there's a little cut there. Okay. I'll take that. Oh, okay. You guys see that? You guys see that splash over there before? We're gonna get him. Oh, he sucked it under. I didn't even barely feel that. Oh yeah. Another big largie. This is a really big one. Oh yeah, that's probably 4 pounds easy. He's going in circles. Holy cow. Holy moly. He ain't giving up. I think there's still another one over there too. Woo-wee. God, he's still not hooked good. I got a better hook set on him. Come on, bud. Oh, yeah. Jeez. No. There we go. There we go. Oh, Jesus. Whew. Whew. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this fatty. That is a nice fish. Wow. Get him back. Is there? I think there's another one over there. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Holy smokes, you guys. Whew. Yeah, I think there's another one over there still. He just sucked it under too. Barely even. Barely. I didn't even see him take it. I just felt a little thud. That was crazy. Dang, man. Oh my gosh. Destroyed it. Is that a pike? There we go. I was wondering where these things were. Yeah. Yeah. That totally hit like a pike too. That was a classic explosion. And that is why, this is why I use a leader. So, oh my gosh, okay. Okay. Okay, there's slime. You are hooked pretty good too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nope. Nope. Not a very big one. Still a fighter though. Jeez. Teeth on him. Cool. Thanks, man. Oh, you gonna swim by me there? Okay. See ya. That could have been what I was chasing. So I got that largemouth and then that pike there. Yeah. I doubt there's something. Is he swimming around me still? I just felt him. You want to be my friend or what? Jeez. Oh, alright. Well, alright. I think we are going to call that a success today. Good enough. Well, there you have it, folks. Pretty successful day. Got some really nice high quality bass and a little pike at the end. So, I don't know. I call that a success story if you ask me. If you like today's episode, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Until next time, good luck out there when you're fishing. And thank you for watching. We will see you guys later.